soccer, baseball had a scrimmage, and we got basketball tonight, dude. It's a busy night. So there it is. So we're getting started here. We got the Germantown Mavericks versus the Clinton Arrows.
Yeah, more arms ready. So we'll throw a lot of those. Both teams having a hard time getting in the lane, which is obviously what you want. It's a good little drive and layup there by number 10 by the Arrows, ARIA J.
There we go. Kind of playing a little bit heavy right there as we kind of
push the ball back up the court, kind of pick up.
Fine. Might have been a foul there. We didn't see one, but you see probably one of the more smoother shots we've seen tonight from India Simmons, number 24. See them do well,
for sure.
Not only in the Germantown aspect of high school
shot though.
Kind of a pretty rainbow shot. She tried to get. My grandfather said, "Don't you take no more charges. I can't stand you being run."
Kind of outscore them here. Obviously, they jumped out. They jumped out of us early.
Once you keep out of those corners.
Offensive foul there.
I think, number 10, she's played very well tonight.
Grace Eatman.
Another three by number 10. She's
now 2 for 2 for 3. Good night.
2 for 3, so she's
there.
kind of
13 points on the night. Kind of carrying their load. She's got 13 or 8.
India Simmons trying to with a putback, but it's just too many Lady Arrows down there in the paint. So it's just kind of a tough action to get there, especially if you take that ball. That would have been kind of the momentum with
push back. We'll get their senior point guard, ARIA Jones, who scored most of their points tonight.
Just like we do, so it's going to be some competitive basketball as you get to the next couple of years. As you see the Arrows get something set up on the inside. See right here, the Lady Arrows kind of now, again, get into number 10.
And one there. She did a good job. She makes this free throw here, cut the lead. Arrow lead back to 2 in the game that we've dominated all night.
Definitely. So they're trying to get that back.
So we got a 2-point lead here by the Mavs. Need to work hard here, maybe getting a.
They don't have possession there anymore, so this is kind of better for us as we get down.
Oh, bank shot.
The bank's open again. So now we're here at the 30-30 mark with number 10 now with, I believe, 18 points. So
18 or 30.
18 out of the 30. She is over half the points for the Lady Arrows.
Single-handedly kept them in there tonight.
They're trying to get that 5 seconds, but they're just not able to. As you got about 16 seconds left, pass back out, but it is a turnover with 13 seconds left. Number 10 is driving down the court. That is a foul. That is
Samuel, quick timeout, get them set up.
She's kind of looking ready to go as you. Oh, that will be the Lady Arrows. But we got about 5 seconds left. They're going to push it down. Allie Jones pushes down the court with a layup. Like we talked about, again, free throws will be a key here that I'm sure Coach Glasgow is going to talk about.
Credit to, number 10 for them, ARIA Jones. Nice. She had, 18, 20 points, whatever it was for them. So it's just tough loss by Lady.
Yeah, that'll do it for your Lady Maverick basketball. We're going to take a quick break. We're going to end this live stream.